Hello guys, Namaskar. I Sambhu sir. Welcome all of you my YouTube channel Sambhu sir English classes. I Sambhu sir will teach you the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. So without delay, we start the poem. Look the board. Really, this poem Dust of Snow is very symbolic poem, very didactic poem composed by Robert Frost, who was born in 1874 and left this world in 1963. Means he was totally modern poet. He was totally modern poet. However, he was born in Victorian period, but whatever he wanted to convey or give the world, people, society, given in modern period. Because after 1890, the period in literature is known as modern period. Anyway, Dust of Snow. Snow is dust of snow means a small particle of ice. A small particle of ice, dust of snow. The way a crow, the stanza, two stanzas have been given on the board, two stanzas. And both the stanzas have been written in 4 lines. Both the stanzas have been written in 4 lines, known as quatrain form. The stanza is known as quatrain stanza because both the stanzas have been written each in 4 lines. The way a crow, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of a snow from a hemlock tree. The poet Robert Frost wants to convey here when I was under a tree, when I was under a tree, okay, the way a crow shook down on me, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of a snow from a hemlock tree. Means the poet was under a hemlock tree when a crow shook its head and the dust of a snow, okay, fell on him. However, the poem is very symbolic. The poem is very symbolic here. However, hemlock tree also represents negativity. Hemlock tree represents negativity. Crow also, black and horse, also represents negativity. Still, how the time came, how the moment appeared helpful for the poet. This is very remarkable thing. Here, the poet wants to convey here. The crow represents harshness. black in color. Still, how it appeared helpful in poet's life. The way a crow shook down on me. What? The dust of a snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of means. The second stanza totally clarifies the poet was not in good mood. The poet was not in proper mood, not good mood. But the situation, the situation or the moment brought by the crow within time, okay, refreshed his mind, made the poet happy and tried to save his valuable time, try to do the best in life. So very remarkable word. Has given my heart a change of mood. Has given my heart a change of mood. Means the poet was not in proper mood, but with the help of crow that represents negativity, okay, also appeared helpful in poet's life and saved some part of a day and saved some part of a day I had rued means for his mistake he was repenting over within time, controlled himself, managed himself, and involved ultimately in good work. So, dear students, you might have understood what the poet wants to convey the message through the poem Dust of Snow. Dust of snow, even a single, a very minute, a little thing, how it may appear in life helpful. This is the major point what perhaps the poet want to convey us. No anything is bigger or longer, bigger or smaller, okay, but the moment situation makes one's better, bigger or smaller. The particle is very small, no doubt. But how managed the poet, how enhanced the value of time in poet's life. So you might have understood now. Once again, the way a crow shook down on me, the dust of a snow from a hemlock tree, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Means the central idea of the poem is really the poet was not in good mood. He was thinking over the matter under the tree. That okay. At that time, the crow shook his head, and the particle of a little bit of ice fell upon him, and how managed the poet to bring on right path to bring on right path, to do the right thing. After then I say, means first of all, basic meaning. We understood the basic meaning of both the stanzas. Written in quatrain form. Okay. Modern poet. Okay. Now we shall study here. Okay. Quatrain form. Basic meaning of both the stanzas are the poet is not in good mood, but with the help of okay, but with the help of crow, and falling particle of dust, he managed himself to bring on right path. Okay. After that we shall study poetic devices. The way a crow we find in first stanza quatrain. However, in both the stanza there is no punctuation mark in German. As there is no punctuation mark. Given. Okay. So, under enjambment, in case of no presentation of any punctuation mark in the end of line, known as enjambment. Okay. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of a snow. Okay. From a hemlock tree. Okay. Hemlock tree. So here, poetic devices here, enjambment. Okay. The way a crow, okay, shook down on me the dust of a snow. Okay. From a hemlock tree. Okay. Has given my heart a change of mood. Has given my heart. Has and heart. We find here alliteration. Alliteration like poetic because the sound of heart and has. Okay. Both starts with H. Okay. Has and heart. Okay. Alliteration. Both have same sound. Had given my heart a change of mood. And saved my part of a day I had rued. Okay. So we find here, okay, alliteration, enjambment, okay. Saved some, also saved and some. Okay, represents alliteration. Okay. Now rhyming pattern here. Crow, me, a snow, a tree. Okay. Heart, mood, part, rude. Okay. So rhyming pattern here. Rhyming. Rhyming pattern. Rhyming pattern here. A B A B. Okay. A B A B. In both the stanzas. In both the stanzas. Both the stanzas. We find rhyming pattern both the stanzas. Okay. So now hemlock tree. Alliteration also here symbolic. Okay. Symbolism. Okay. Symbolism. Crow. Crow here. Crow and crow. Crow and hemlock tree. Crow and hemlock tree. Okay. Crow and hemlock tree. Hemlock tree. Okay. Hemlock tree. Okay. A little black. A little black bird and poisonous tree. Poisonous tree. Okay. However, both represents negativity. Still, they appeared helpful in poet's mind. So, however, the students you might have understood how to study poem is different from prose section or any story or any novel. Under poem, the poet how technically tries to manage, try to compose. So, as reader, one must be careful towards different ideas, techniques used by the poet to know. However, you also asked questions related to rhyming pattern, poetic devices, and the central idea. What the central idea the poet wants to convey. So, through the explanation details about poem, so first of all about poet, modern poet, he was born in Victorian period, but devoted or gave his service for the nation, for society in modern period. So modern poet. Written in quatrain form. Poem has been written in quatrain form as two stanzas written each in 4 lines. Basic meaning of both the stanzas, the poet is not in good mood but the help of crow. Okay. Particle of dust, manage, bring the right path. Poetic devices here, enjambment, alliteration, through the words. Okay. There is no punctuation mark, so enjambment is naturally known here. Alliteration, same sound, has heard, same. Okay. Rhyming pattern, A B. Okay, in both the stanzas. Crow, little blackbird, hemlock, poisonous tree. Okay. So all through the given details, you might have understood what the central idea of the poem is. Okay. Dust of a snow, no any word. Little or smaller. Okay. Everything may appear valuable. Okay. As most of the poets try to involve in their poems beautiful words, beautiful places, beautiful trees, lotus, peacock. But here, both the things whether it may be tree or bird are very seems contrast, okay, but how ultimately appeared helpful in poet's life. तो इस तरह से गाइज आप समझ गए होंगे कि कभी डस्ट ऑफ स्नो के माध्यम से किस तरह से हम शिक्षा प्रदान करने का प्रयास करते हैं कविता के माध्यम से, कि कोई भी चीज छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता है, समय के अनुसार सभी अपने आप में वैल्यूएबल है. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दिस वीडियो. बी कंटिन्यू विथ मी, बट I assure you I shall try with best to satisfy you to answer any type of question related to the poem. And one more thing, must try to subscribe जरूर करें ताकि कोई भी इस तरह के लाभकारी वीडियो बने तो आप तक जल्दी पहुंचे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए बाय.